while Chinese PLA Bazooka Misfire ends in heavy trolling of China's Stooge amid the border tensions between India and China at the Ladakh in Ladakh. Editor of Chinese Communist Party's CCP, mouthpiece Global Times, whose Xijin every now and then tries taking potshots at India, even as the mouthpiece media itself warmongers and postures the same way. The Chinese Stooge also resorts to fearmongering, peddling fake news and boasting about the Chinese PLA, but is often trolled back by the Indians. However, this time, a video has surfaced on social media which shows how an alleged Chinese army official fails at loading and firing a heavy RPG launcher weapon. This is your equipment and training. The video is shared by Yusufwanjhawala, editor of Indian Defense Forum, on Twitter, where he has tagged Xijin and asked, "Dear Xijin, this your equipment and training?" In the 2-minute-long video, the alleged officer can be seen holding the rocket launcher the wrong way around while firing it. A major disaster was averted as the people standing beside the officer had a lucky escape after the rocket was fired into the ground and it bounced back violently, swinging the officer pell-mell. Meanwhile, netizens did not fail to troll the made-in-China weapon, saying that the country is known for building use once and throw products. One Twitter user also pointed out that this may be the reason the Chinese army uses knives and rods to attack their enemy, because their weapons are not dependable.